Hello students, I am Umayam Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of CS, Ansar Women's College, Perumbilavar. Hope all are safe and fine. Today I am going to present the topic DBMS languages. So, what is DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. When we split the DBMS into two, we got database and management system. So, database is a collection of data and management system is a set of programs that can be used to store and retrieve those data. So, generally, DBMS is a collection of interrelated data and set of programs that is used to store and access those data in an easy and effective manner. We are familiar with many data DBMS like Microsoft Access, Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. Then we move to the topic database languages. Database languages are used to read, update and store data in a database. There are several such database languages that can be used for this purpose. SQL is one of them. SQL means Structured Query Language. SQL lets you access and manipulate database. That is, SQL is used to access and manipulate data in database. SQL became a standard of ANSI in 1986 and of the ISO in 1987. So, SQL is a very popular database language that can be used all over the world. Next, in SQL, that is database languages, DBMS languages can be mainly divided into four categories, which include DDL, DCL, DML and TCL. First, DDL. DDL means Data Definition Language. DDL is used for specifying the database schema. It is used for creating tables, schema, indexes, constraints, etc. That is, DDL is mainly used for creating tables, schema, indexes and constraints in a database. The main commands used in DDL are create, alter, drop, truncate, rename, drop and comment. Create is used to create a database, alter is used to alter the structure of database, drop is used to drop the database instance, truncate is used to delete the tables in a database, rename is used to rename database instance, drop is used to drop some objects in a database such as tables, and comment is used to give some comments to the database. Next one is data manipulation language, that is DML. DML is used for accessing and manipulating data in a database. So DDL is used to create a database and DML is used to accessing and manipulating the data in a database. The operations or commands used in DML are select, insert, update and delete. Select is used to read records from table, insert is used to insert data into the table, update is used to update the data in table and delete is used to delete all the records from the table. The next one is DCL, that means Data Control Language. It is used to mainly for granting and revoking user access on a database, that is which user on which time can use which part of database. It is determined by the data control language. It is of two types, grant and revoke. Grant is used to grant access and revoke is used to revoke access from the user. The next one is transaction control language, that is TCL. TCL is mainly used with the transactions and there are mainly two types of TCL, commit and rollback. Commit is used to persist the changes made by DML commands in database and rollback is used to roll back the changes made to the database. So these are the main database languages that we used. So thank you.